Welcome back to the channel and happy Wednesday everyone and happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I can't wait to enjoy some yummy food. So first of all, it is hot as hell today here in South Florida. I had a bunch of videos on my GoPro. I don't know what the hell I did. Somehow I pushed the wrong button because I'm still learning the GoPro and deleted it all. So I'm pissed. So I had a nice video for you guys today. And it's gone. But I will show you what I have been working on since most of it's done. Most, not all. A lot of you guys know who Local for Scratchers 12 is, Sybil. I got her cup done. I did a short of that. I even put her logo on the bottom. Check that out. Isn't that cool? This cup is absolutely gorgeous. It needs to set now till sometime next week. So we have that. She also ordered 50 of the epoxy scratchers. I did 10 clear. Actually, I did 11 clear. 11 clear, 20 green, and 20 purple. I'll show you the green and purple one sitting over there. Like I said, I had a whole video of these to show you how they're done. So let's go in and pop these clear ones out. I love the clear epoxy scratchers because I feel like, I don't know how well you can see that. I feel like it really... when you're scratching a ticket, it works really good on a ticket, but then you can see the numbers too. A lot of people like the clear. So I did 11 of those for her because I'm keeping one. Most people let me keep one once I make them for their channel. So that's pretty awesome. This was a big order. Shout out to Local for Scratchers 12. If you guys don't know who she is, it's Sybil. Go check her out. Show her some love and support. And make sure you let her know that Princess Scratcher sent you. She's a good friend of mine. She's such a sweetie pie. And I had some extra, so I poured some of mine. Because I was just using them for giveaways, just to show you. But people like them. But once I'm sold out of channel coins on my other channel, then I will be making these. And they'll be available for people. But for right now, I'm using them for giveaways. So we got those. So let's... go on and get these set over here. I'm gonna grab you guys and take you over here so you guys can see the purple and green ones I did. Don't mind the dogs, obviously. There's Snorbox. He's always in the way. So let me switch hands here and not drop y'all. So as you see here, there's 20 green and 20 purple. So here's the green ones I did for her. Let me open this mini blind so y'all can see. I was so pissed, y'all. I lost the footage. I don't know what the hell I did. So there's her green ones. And I did some purple. And then now we have the clear. Let me get these all situated here. So I can show you, because I just popped these out. They might stick a little bit, but that's normal, just like the coaster sets. They'll stick a little bit. So there we go. She has... technically 51 epoxy scratchers, but I'm going to keep one clear one for myself. We have her cup, which is right here. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that in the light. I'm not trying to make y'all dizzy. Isn't that beautiful? So this stuff needs to set, and I will get it shipped out to her next week. I'm not trying to make y'all dizzy. I want to make sure I had a video for you guys, and this is some bull that I lost it. Okay, so now I gotta move this stuff because he's literally behind my chair. So this is actually a Christmas present. I can talk. This is a Christmas present for a customer. It is a coaster set. So I did the coaster holder in black and white. And for some people that don't know, Jegs is a company where you could buy car parts or performance parts. And I put like a washer, a cotter pin, and a screw. So there's 2 Jegs coasters and 2 Summit Racings, but I still have to add some more clear in here to make sure that all the hardware is covered. I think that's going to be a cool set there. That's a customer order there. They had these stickers and they sent it to me, so that's what I did. So we're going to move that to the side because I got to add a little more clear. These are my clear epoxy ones. I poured some extra ones and just set them over there. This domino set, y'all, I have had for a minute and I have not popped it out, so I don't even know how it looks. So let's see how this looks here. Hopefully y'all can see. That's what the back side looks like. Once again, y'all, I am so sorry. I'm so pissed I lost that footage. Now next, I'm hoping next week. Look at that. I kind of did all Christmas colors. I tried to, but you know, I got to clean them up. I got to go through, get all these little things off, color in the dots. But man, that is so cool looking. And each one is different. But I would like to work on that dragon mold that I got next week. See? Each one is going to be different. I guess it's kind of Christmas colors and kind of not. This is for a giveaway on my other channel. I'm going to use the domino sets. Domino sets are a lot of work. So once you pour them, then you got to go through, clean all the edges up and sand them. See how they're all stuck together? They're all different though. That's so cool. You got to clean them up. You got to sand them. You got to color in all the dots. It is a lot of work. It is a lot of time doing epoxy stuff. Anybody who does epoxy stuff or crafts, it's a lot of time, y'all. Like, I don't think y'all understand it. Look how pretty those are. I think I will probably color in the dots and the lines white. Because I think it'll really pop. Quit. King, stop it. Boy. He's being naughty. So there's the domino set. But I think white on this. I mean, look at the sparkle. Not all of it. Because I just used leftover epoxy. I wanted to see it or how it went. But I think that's going to look good. So these, I'll probably do a short once they're done. Like I said, you see the edges here? You got to clean them up. The coaster set, I think is going to be awesome. It's pretty much done. That holder's done. I just have to pour some more clear to make sure I cover the screw. I don't know if you can see that. That turned out really cool. I want to work on that dragon mold, you guys. I guess I could turn you around. I haven't had time with everything going on. I'm so pissed off that I lost the... Quit, boy. Lost the footage to everything I had made and some other stuff that's coming up in January. I'm so pissed. So what I need to do is figure out something different and go ahead and get the stuff downloaded so I don't lose it off of the GoPro. Alright, you guys. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Everybody have a happy Thanksgiving. I do go live tonight on my other channel at 8:50 p.m. Eastern Time. I just have all holiday tickets, and I got some fun mail from someone, so I'll show that too. You guys have been amazing. I appreciate all love, support. Big shout out to Locals for Scratchers 12, aka Sybil, for being a big supporter of the channel and a good friend. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Until next time, y'all have a good one. Bye.